Hi guys, in today's video we will see how to make a resume in Microsoft Word using a free template. Open the Microsoft Word program and click on the new file. Search for the green cube resume. Type the green cube resume in search box and click on the search icon. In few moments you will see that green cube resume template will be displayed. Click on this, read the details. If you like this template, click on the create button and the green cube resume will be loaded in the Microsoft Word. Now you can see that it's a very fresh design and the overall look is very good. This resume provides you with multiple fields that you can type your name, your job title, your profile, your contact information, your educational qualifications, your previous job experience and skills. You can also place your picture here. Now we will edit this template as per our requirements. Type your name, type your full name here and adjust the size so that your name is properly displayed in the resume. You can increase or decrease the size as per the requirements so that your name is properly displayed in the resume. Type the job title. This is the job title for which you are going to apply for. Let's suppose I am going to apply for the software developer, then I will type the software developer. If you are going to apply for the teacher job, then type the teacher. Click on the picture and from the picture format, click on the change picture and select the location of the picture. Browse for the picture and click on insert so that your picture is replaced with the template default picture. Now in the profile, type the resume summary. This is basically the summary. You are describing yourself to the employer, that what type of skills you have and basically what type of job you are searching for and a little bit of your abilities and your goals. All you have to summarize in one paragraph. It should be short, it should be not too much long, or it should not contain a lot of details. Update your contact information, type your phone number. I am typing these just as the placeholder text. These are dummy contact information. It is not my actual contact information. Type the website. If you have a portfolio website, type the website. Otherwise replace the website with address or something else you want as per your needs. Type the complete address if you are going to type the address, like street number and the sector number, city and country, whatsoever you want to type in the address. This should be your postal address. If the employer wants to contact you, then he may be able to contact you on this postal address, or he want to send a call letter, then he might dispatch this call letter to this address. Type your email address. It should be a valid email address, like it's a Gmail or Yahoo, whatsoever, Hotmail. Type the complete email address here. That's a working address. Now come to the education tab and you can see that it's divided into sections like school name. Type your school or university name. Type the dates from. These are the dates of the starting of your degree, and type the two dates. These are the completion dates. And in the next paragraph you can type your CGPA, awards, honors, whatsoever, any detail you want to describe you can type in this paragraph, or you can simply type your CGPA or a little bit of summary or coursework detail or project detail, whatsoever you want. You can adjust this. Let's I have typed my degree name and my CGPA only here. You can type it a little better by telling about your project, or you can describe your specialization. Like, I have specialization in artificial intelligence, so I'm going to type that specialization in artificial intelligence. So this is a little bit of description of my degree. If you have only one degree, then it's enough. If you have more than one degrees, then type the next one also. In the same method, type the university name, dates from, dates to. These are the dates, starting date and completion date. And once again comes the summary. Type the summary. It should be in the same manner in which you have typed the first degree. If you have typed the specialization, then type the specialization, degree name and CGPA, etc. You should maintain the uniformity in your resume. The uniformity matters a lot. If you are typing one degree in one way and typing the other degree another way, then it will not give a good gesture. Next, come to the work experience. Your previous work experience matters a lot to your employer, so completely type your work experience. Type the company names, job title. I'm going to type the job title on the next line. You can edit it as per your requirements. No, we will go quickly through this. Type your all work experiences in the given format. Type your company name, your position, the duration and the description of your work experience. In this manner, type all of your work experiences, whether you have 1, 2, 3 or any number of work experiences previously held on your portfolio. Type all of these in this tab. Make sure that all of these work experiences should be relevant to the job that you are going to apply for. Irrelevant work experiences may be omitted from this section. Now comes the skills tab. This is the skill tab. Right click on this and click on the edit data. Edit data in Excel or simply edit data, and you will see that an Excel sheet is open, and in that Excel sheet you have to type your skills title and the skill level. So this chart will be updated accordingly. Now I'm going to click on the edit data, and you can see that in the edit data a Microsoft Excel sheet is open, and in this you can see that in the column A there is skill number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the descending order, and in the B column you can see that your skill level is given. Here 1 is meant to or describing 100, 0.9 is equal to 90, 0.8 is equal to 80 and so on. It is actually in the point format. If you will type 45, then it will exceed value, so you have to type the skill name and type 0.45 to describe that you have 45% of the skill. You want to describe that you have some skill that is 60%, then you have to type 0.6, and in the same manner you will type all the values in the form of point. If you type 1, that it means that there is a skill that in which you are an expert and you have 100% experience of that skill. You may add more skills. Basically you have to describe approximately 4 to 5 skills of yours. So type the skills that you actually have in you, so that the employer may have clear picture about your skills. Okay, now we have updated. So just close this and your skills tab is updated. Now your resume is complete, and in the very short time you can see that you have made a stunning resume. It's a very good looking and it's a very simple design. It's a one page resume, and you can just make a simple resume like this in 10 to 15 minutes. It was a very easy task. Now if you have a printer, then print this resume. Otherwise, save this resume in PDF format for printing whenever you required. Give it a name and save it in PDF format. Also save the Word file, so that in the future if you want to make some changes in this resume, then you can edit it. Okay, I am going to save it in MS Word format. Also you can see that I have saved it in PDF and Word format. Now we will have a look in PDF format. This is the PDF format of our resume that we have created within a very short span of time. Now we are going to have a close look on this. You can see that it is looking very beautiful, and it's covering overall all aspects of you. So you are going to present yourself as a product to your employer. So present yourself beautifully, and good luck. If you have any query, please comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.